time to learn Boil 'em Cabbage Down. Hello, it's me, Mr. Zach. I'm ready. Are you? Let's try. The first thing we need to do is make sure our D string is in tune. It sounds about right. I can check with my piano. Let's see which one is D. That sounds pretty good to me. If yours is in tune with me, then let's make sure we have our fingers in the right place before we start. This is a pretty easy song. It's only going to use one string, and I like to learn it on the D string, but you really could use G, D, or A, but we're going to use D, which is the third string. And let's make sure our fingers are in tune, and let's use a little bit of a fiddly rhythm to do it. So D, 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 D. Your turn. And then I'm going to put my pointer finger down. And remember, on a full-size violin, it's about an inch or a little bit more than an inch up from the nut. It should be about the size of a knuckle. And that's where our pointer finger is going to go. And it should sound like this. Your turn. And then remember, with exact notes, we usually do the fingers together. So instead of a high 2 and a low 2, we're just going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. And if your violin is the right size, your fingers should pretty much just squish together. So now 3. You see how my fingers are just laying right there? It's the reason the violin is built this way. And then 4. Your turn. And now the first measure of the song, we'll go one measure at a time. The first measure goes like this. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Your turn. And be careful to do long, quick, quick, long, quick, quick. Just like that. And then measure 2 is going to go 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Your turn. And measure 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Your turn. And now back down to 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Your turn. And then the next measure, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Your turn. And then 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Your turn. And then 3, 3, 3, 1, 1, 1. Your turn. And then oh, 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 oh. And that's the whole song. The easy version of it, at least. If you've got that, then go on to the next video. We're going to play through the whole thing like that, nice and slow. And then we can go through a medium, and then we can try, when you're ready, nice and fast. Good job.